Software development is undergoing the biggest transformation in its history. We are moving away from spending hours hunting down missing semicolons and memorizing framework syntax. In this video, we're breaking down what vibe coding is and how you can start vibe coding. So, what exactly is vibe coding? Vibe coding is fundamentally seen as using AI to help in making your coding projects. Vibe coding was originally popularized in 2025 by Andrej Karpathy, former Tesla AI director and OpenAI co-founder. Vibe coding means English is the new programming language. Instead of fighting compiler errors, you describe what you want in plain language, and the AI handles the underlying syntax for you. While you forget about brackets and other logistics needed in your programming language, while you shift your focus entirely to user experience, business logic, and creative features through a fast conversational feedback loop. When you look at the difference between manual programming and intent-driven AI programming, the difference is night and day. Traditional coding requires slow, linear execution, while vibe coding lets anyone from non-technical founders to seasoned engineers ship functional prototypes at 10 times speed. To master this workflow, you need to understand something known as the core vibe loop. The first step of this loop is the prompt intent. So essentially what this means is you clearly describe your app feature, UI components, or backend logic using proper context and constraints. The second part is get what the AI generates for you. So the AI agent writes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or server functions across your multi-file project workspace. This could be different according to what programming language you are actually using. And the third step is testing and refining your code. So essentially what you're going to do in this step is you're going to run the code live inside of your terminal or browser. When a bug appears, you find that error and send it right back to your AI so that the AI can automatically fix it for you and give you the clean and polished version of your code. As of current day, there's so many tools that you can use to start vibe coding today. One of them being Cursor or Windsurf, which are one of the top tools used for vibe coding today. If you don't want to use Cursor, you can use Claude or Replit Agent, which are also still holding down as one of the best in present day vibe coding. You can also use ChatGPT and other older Claude versions or Base 44 and v0.dev. Top vibe coders leverage AI native code editors and agentic models capable of reading full project respiratories. Here is your step-by-step blueprint to start vibe coding today. Your first step would be to set a clear context. This basically means explain your app's goal, tech specs, and design rules before asking for code. Good context prevents hallucinations. The second step would be to work in small slices. This basically means build your projects in small steps. Go step by step, one step at a time. For example, building your navigation bar first, then database setup, then API calls, and don't ask for a full app all at once. That's one of the most important rules when you're vibe coding. Your third step would be to feed errors directly. This simply means when something breaks, copy the terminal error straight back to the AI assistant and let it self-repair so that the AI can give you the polished and fixed version right back to you. And lastly, and one of the most important steps when vibe coding is to save clean checkpoints. For this, you can use GitHub or backups whenever your code works so that you can roll back in case your prompt strays off your main target course. Saving clean checkpoints is really important so that you can have somewhere to pick back up in case your AI gives you incorrect feedback. So, what can you build with vibe coding? Well, for starters, vibe coders can build web and SaaS MVPs, which are basically custom dashboards, landing pages, and interactive web tools, which you can all build in one complete afternoon. Another thing you can build with vibe coding is automation scripts. usually made in programming languages like Python or C++, which include tools like web scrapers, data cleaning pipelines, and workflow bots. And the third thing you can build, which is mostly one of the most common with vibe coding, is games and visualizers like 2D browser games, canvas animations, and financial charts. Vibe coding has shown to be really trending as of recent data and could be a really good skill to pick up if you're looking to start Android app development or AI development. Vibe coding has proved to flip developer effort by 80% of your mental energy, and it all shifts to product strategy, user experience, and test validation rather than typing syntax, which proves to be more efficient and productive than traditional typing of code. So, are you ready to vibe code? The future of software is intent-driven, fast, and accessible to everyone. If you're ready to dive deeper into AI development tutorials, tools, and live builds, hit that subscribe button and follow me at BGC Mello on YouTube and Instagram. And don't forget to drop a comment below on what app you're going to vibe code first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.